Check out this unique and interesting digital Aizu Lacquerware Maki-e experience. First, choose the Aizu Lacquerware item that you want to use. Next, create your design. You can do anything. Your own drawing, flowers, scenery, or even a photo of your pet. It's better to use thick lines. Then, your design is scanned and imported into the computer. Next, a laser engraver automatically traces your design onto the lacquer item you've chosen. After that, you paint in the engraved outline with colors. And then, before the paint dries, dust with gold or silver powders, and then wipe off the excess. Your beautiful, one-of-a-kind Maki-e artwork is finished.